And Riker is cleaning. Let's show. Hold it. It's. Yeah. So look here.
Imagine this was alive. Oh, is this the female?
Keep the big old dog female. Oh, that's a lot of algae you ate.
Show me. He ate a lot of algae.
Mm.
And look at these two. This is bigger than this one. Daddy! There's one pretty here. That's my dad here. My sister's busy, but I'm just staring at
Okay, so you guys are cleaning prawns. You just looking at them, your sister's cleaning them.
See this?
No, not with this.
This?
Like the whole.
This is spike.
Yeah.
These two are the eyes.
Mm.
Very close to each other.
Yeah.
There's the
No, that's
mouth.
not how you do it. Cut the full thing.
What's there?
And then wash the knife as well.
If you look through there, that's their poop.
Is that they poop?
Yeah. These are the little legs.
Okay.
These are the things that they use
Look at
to
this
swim.
one.
Okay.
Oh wow! What is here?
I have to clean it.
No, what is here?
Oh wow, that's.
Fine. Daddy!
You won't believe how long he is in 10 years.
Oh, wow, that is a long one. Wait.
Daddy!
Yeah.
Jeez, like that's a long one.
That's
Huh?
only a teddy.
Okay, take it right to the head. Okay.
Wait, let me come this side.
Oh! He's broken! He's
It's
broken.
fine. They break when you make a catch. And it's ticklish as well.
What's a bit teeny one? Oh, one of them just got me.
Liam, you're so clean. Come on.
He's just looking at them.
Yeah, break the head off like how Riker does it. Break the head.
When it's my finger, so to make sure it's like which one should I begin with?
Okay, one second, Liam.
Okay, no, I'm gonna show the kids. I'm gonna show them which one I'm
No,
gonna.
first practice one. Take this one. Practice. Press the head hard and bend it. No, not like that. Not. Bend it, bend it.
This one has a big cut, even though they
Now pull it off. Just do this. There it is. Put it in your finger. Pull it. Pull it.
So this is all the
No,
waist.
Nicely. Pull it.
This one.
We actually eat the tail.
Oh no.
Yeah, you
Sorry,
guys
mine.
can eat it. That's your
Sorry,
favorite.
sorry.
What happened?
You put the heads there, washed out. Sorry.
You put all the head. Yeah, you must.
Kids, this is how easy they are. Non-head. Imagine they were like zombies.
Okay, now do the rest.
This one is a male.
Should we put it on the put it here for me, please? Just put it
I
here.
will.
Put them here.
That basket that we saw for 2,000 rupees.
This is the male. This is the
Two
female.
baskets for 2,000.
Wow, look how big this is, kids.
Huh?
One was the first one I asked. Two basket was for 2,000 rupees. Like peanuts.
See how big this is.
How much would that be? Almost close to 10 kgs. In the Bangalore, you pay almost 7,000 for it.
Jeez, like.
That's 5,000 more.
No, so what you do is you buy a basket like that
Wait, what?
on a Sunday morning.
Daddy, found something.
Oh, wow, what are you seeing there?
This opens. It's their mouth.
Let me see.
I found their mouth. Open sideways. Daddy, look what I found on. Daddy, look here. Look. This is their mouth.
Oh, nice.
They have like chainsaws in their mouth.
Well, they eat algae. They eat all.
Yeah, it's to
Ooh,
cut off. Yeah, can you imagine? It's
they
to
eat a
cut
lot
off
of
the.
algae.
On Sunday morning,
Wait, let me see.
you must buy that full
That's
basket.
a lot of
right?
algae.
Daddy,
Algae, not
can
algae.
you help me with these legs?
No, I can't. Okay, you come with us. But I can show him how to do it. Put it inside.
Fuck the wall.
Then your sisters become a.
These are the.
Your sisters become good now. Now you learn how to cut the head off.
This piece is a little more bigger than this.
It's fine. Must
Sir?
go on Sunday morning. Go buy that big basket, that 2,000 rupees basket,
See?
and then you devein all the prawns. It'll take half a day, and then put in the fridge.
Daddy, look here.
Ew.
You can actually see its gut
Yeah,
when you take off the skin.
yeah.
Like a
That we
pig.
just had a full stomach.
Look at this.
You don't have a very full stomach.
That's the mouth.
Wow.
Did you actually know that they are vegetarians?
Yeah, that's why it's
Yeah.
green. See? Cut it all the way, Malay. Love, all the way to the back. Yeah, all the way to the
Yep,
back.
you also ate some algae. Look,
Yeah.
my neck. Look how many algae you ate.
No wonder they're dark.
So I should do
That's
this.
it. You make sure that it's fully clean up with your stomach. Will be so.
Yeah.
Should I do
Break
this?
it. Oh, break it. Break it, Lana. Pluck it. Yeah, break it. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. No.
That's why I said make
This
sure that
part.
it doesn't break because it needs
Hold
to be
it.
fully out.
Hold it
Otherwise
like that. My
your
hands
stomach
get
will
dirty.
pain when you eat.
Can you
Malaika,
someone do this?
Malaika showed to you how to break that.
I can't break
Show her how to break it. That down part.
This to wash it first.
See. See.
Yeah.
Use your nails. See that? There you go. See.
Look at the algae.
Break that now.
And look inside the head.
Okay. So break that one.
Algae.
Keep on washing hands.
Come on. Break this one.
I hate algae.
Hold it down.
Algae is actually.
Yeah. Hold it down. Hold it nicely with your fingers tight. Yeah. And bend it.
Liam, did you actually know
Bend
that?
it. No. Bend it towards like this. Like this. See. Like this. Yeah. Bend it. Yeah. There you go. And pull it. Go. That's all the brains and all. Pull it down. Lungs and all are there. Good. Hold it tight down here. Down. Yeah.
Yeah,
down,
hold
down.
tight with this hand.
It's always not working.
It's always not working.
That's the inside.
Because you want to do it but then it grosses you out.
Oh, it doesn't gross me out.
I can see you're like a pro, you're like
Look here.
1, 2, 3 done.
It's because I love eating.
The core.
I know you love eating prawns, I don't.
Daddy got me the taste for it. Thank him. I never used to like prawns, remember?
You know, you used to eat all sorts of things that father eats.
Ooh,
Prawns, mussels, crab, oysters. No, oysters, yeah, oysters. You guys,
Oysters a can.
yeah, the canned oysters used to eat.
Look at this, Liam. You take it, you break it, and you're done.
With this one. Mini striker.
Marika's going to be a good cook.
Huh?
She's going to be a good
Liam, now you try it. Twist it, break it,
What?
pull it. There we go! You did it! You're dripping fish water everywhere.
It's okay. You did it! Wow, you're also going to be a good cook.
Oregon. This is Oregon. And how you gonna take these leggies off?
Now, Marika showed how to do it.
One second, let us just finish
I
cutting
only
that
have
one.
2 body stuff with legs.
Yeah, you just have to clean it up with the nails.
Daddy, what are these legs for?
Those are the swimming legs.
Number 4 arms are gonna know. 2, 4 arms are gonna smell like fish.
It's fine, you just wash it.
Then the gut and vein it out. And then you wash it.
Oh.
And then lift it with the tail. Look at this, Liam.
Sure, Ma.
Are they clean?
Look
at
at
this.
Look at Rika.
You see this? You take the shell itself and you wrap it. And then you take one of the legs, you take the legs, you do this, like how you do with the titties, like cuddle it, make the arms go wide. Do that, and you pull. And then you put your nails under the shell, and then you rip it.
How do you get these? How do you get the shells off?
She just showed you.
What's that booty?
Train!
Oh, just rub it on your
Oh, no,
clothes. Yeah, he just rubbed all of that
Fine,
on
that
his
needs to be
clothes.
his fish clothes.
I already have my new fish clothes.
Clearly.
He did not
But I open the other side.
He did not have a full bath.
Because you said you open the other side. Now you open the other side, now you go close that side. There's a bag full. Sorry, Liam.
It'll take some time.
Yeah, it will take some time.
Again.
But yeah.
I just grabbed him by his mouth.
So, while you guys are busy with this,
See, Rika, see how Rika goes. See? Use it.
William.
Rika, see? There we go.
Show me.
Most of the legs are anyway. This is. I want to show you something, which is very cool. See these pinchers?
wow.
Imagine them pinching you.
No thanks.
And these are their swimmers. These are their swimmers. They are actually not feet. They're flippers. These are feet.
The next time we'll buy the 2,000 rupees basket.
Okay. Daddy, I want to show you something. These are not actually feet. These are actually flippers. These are feet.
Okay.
Come on, clean, clean.
They're actually very related to insects. So anyone who's afraid of insects, you're actually eating the family from insects.
Yeah, that's not me. I'm afraid of insects. I ain't eating them. Haha. You guys are. Because you ain't scared of insects.
I love them. Yeah, this one has poop. He was gonna poop, wasn't he?
Yes, he was gonna poop.
He was gonna do his morning business, but then he was cold.
And now he's in your house.
See, he was
Going
gonna
to
poop.
too.
Ew.
Which color is the
Okay.
poop?
I think the poop's green.
Yeah, probably because, see this is green. And that needs to come out of their system. So, yeah.
Did you actually know where the poop comes from, guys?
I'll give it. Okay, so you guys continue. You've got a bag full to clean still. And this is what you're making for lunch.
This is actually a baby.
Yeah.
Little baby.
My
Yeah, that's a small.
favorite.
And his head is like
Prawn dish.
Prawn fried rice.
Oh, genade. Okay. You making lunch?
No.
Yes, you are.
I'm working. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm not making lunch.
Mommy, you better learn.
Mm.
How? Can you give me a prawn, please?
Okay, take one, Mother.
Thank you.
Nice head. Nice
Okay, you clean the ones that he's left. Let him break the heads and
Yeah,
I'm the
Goes
head
faster.
breaker.
you're the head breaker. Okay.
Oh, how do you have it?
Lots.
man, if you're messing everywhere, just
Yeah, just clean. Okay. So you guys enjoy cleaning off your prawns?
yeah.
I
You
don't
can record when they finish. Almost.
Yeah, I'll show you
don't
guys
make
when
it.
they're done.
I don't
I need
make
to
it.
go and make breakfast.
Well, I don't like this one that has too many allergies.
Is it? Okay, well. Carry on cleaning, guys.
They're busy.
Yeah.
Left head.
Did you actually know that prawns go backwards like this, but when they go forward, these move?
Really?
Yes.
Cool.
These claws are actually used to pick off algae and put it into there. No, just here. Somewhere here, yeah. Even if you move this, ooh, look at that. You actually move their eyes.
Wow.
Huh? Can I see?
And what's that thing on top of his head?
This, it's for fighting. Or for warding off predators, like there are some shrimp that actually eat other shrimp. So this is here.
Mm.
And if they fight, it goes into one of them. Or when they fight, they actually go head to head.
Okay.
So the loser has a smaller one, but the winner will have a big one.
Okay. Cool.
This is actually a female. Okay? Small ones are males, big ones are females.
But then, Nana, you said that the male has got
Because they
the...
got confused. Most arthropods are actually males or smaller.
Is it? Okay. So glad that you know all these because I don't. For me, this is a prawn. You get big prawns, you get small prawns. I don't know the difference.
Some are females, some are males.
Oh, no, don't dust those.
And they actually lay eggs.
They lay eggs?
Yeah.
Cool.
Maybe those are eggs. I don't know.
Those are not eggs.
Yeah, I don't
Those
think so.
are alligator eggs.
Not just any cloth. Wash your hand with soap.
Yeah, no. Please, Liam. Not just water. He's done.
I'm not. I'll clean the whole bag if I have. And that was my favorite one.
You're gonna take it.
I wanted to clean the head off. I see I'm busy here already. Thought you were going to gym.
Yeah.
Now you're cleaning.
Daddy is helping you quickly with those ones lying there because your brother half opened them and just left them. Yeah, otherwise they start smelling in it.
And you have.
Just going fast.
Wash
Like I said, you have
Wash
to go
them.
fast.
no prawns.
Okay.
What's a new tool of this?
No.
And my mom hates prawns. I hate prawns.
Is it? I don't hate it. I'm just not fond of it.
Then why don't you eat it if you're not?
Because I'm not fond of it.
Even if I'm not fond of something, I still eat it.
No, because
Because?
they are created. So they don't have the taste for it.
Yeah, we didn't eat prawns and stuff like that growing up.
Wow, how can I have the taste for it?
Because some people just have a taste for it.
Can I get a knife?
Mind if you, is your hands washed?
Yeah, he just now washed it with soap in the bottom.